Pumunta ako sa tindahan ni Aling Nena para bumili ng suka. Pagbayad ko aking nakita, isang dalagang nakadungaw sa bintana. Natulala ako, laglagang
Ano siya? What is that? Ilang ml?
Let me see.
Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa SM Tuloy, park ng
Nandito kami ngayon sa park kung saan
night out.
nag
Nagna-night out. Night out ba tawag
nagpapahangin
dito?
kami kasi
Yes, gusto kong guminhawa.
inip na kasi sa bahay namin.
Sige, game, let's eat. Ay, shit.
Say hi to Mira. Mira. Hi guys.
Vlog yan.
Yes.
Vlog mo ginatuod.
Tas say hi.
Hi. Hey guys, dito kami sa park. Let's eat.
Patingin Tas. Ano yan?
Ito po yung Angel's Burger. Kasi po kami ay nagtitipid.
Pakita Tas. Pakita mo.
Ito yung Angel's Burger.
Anong laman?
Ano? Wala. Joke. Ayan.
Ay.
If you're new to my channel, please give it a like, share, subscribe, and tap the post notification bell so that every time I post video, you'll get notified.
Hi. Hi guys. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Passereti. Passereti. Yes. We are waiting for our orders. What's our order, Tas?
We ordered their best seller ramen bacon, and then what's the other one?
Nacho fries. And guys, as in, ang layo-layo dito guys sa Passereti. But the environment it's very good. It's good. Yes. Yeah. Say hi. Hi. Yeah. Tas. Ano yan?
Later, they have cigar board. Ano, ganda ng mga puno na ano mangga. Matubo na yung mangga. And guys, so you'll see flowers na. May flowers na yung yung mangga. That means dyan manggagaling yung bunga ng mangga. Yan. So ganyan namumunga yung mangga. So this one guys, I'm showing you our food, nacho fries, and bacon ramen. I think, diba? So, hindi, ahang na ahang siya ito si. Pero in fairness guys, ang sarap ng ramen, bacon ramen or ramen bacon, whatever that is, basta ganon, tsaka yung nacho fries. So, masarap.
So we want to share you this place, guys. You can chill this, and you can relax under the mango tree. You can try their food. They have a lot of choices. It's Passereti in Tiglobican. So you can go there, just go straight, and you'll see a sign at the left side of the way. So yeah. Look guys, the sunset is so beautiful and I want to share it with you. I don't want to end this video, this vlog without or not showing you all of these beautiful stuff that I see. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Look at guys. Nagdadrama-drama kami dito. Ang ganda. And look this. Look at this guys. Woo, beautiful. Look at the tree, the sunset. Nice. So we want to share it with you. Yeah. And welcome to Barangay Mabini, where you can see sugarcane plantation. You'll see the beautiful mountain range in Cadiz City. Yeah, so if you visit Cadiz, you will see this beautiful mountain. Sometimes it shows and sometimes it's not showing. It depends on the weather. So if the weather is like this, it's cloudy and it's nice, you'll see the whole beauty of that. Mahal guys, Mountain John Manguan. Si Papa ganyan, LGBT. LGBT si Papa.
At the moment, we are waiting for our orders. So, nagchichikahan na kami gatas dyan. And yun talaga yung palagi namin nagawa. We're always dating, pag may pera, pag wala, we do a simple date, tusok-tusok, kumain ng kung anong pwedeng kainin dyan na mas mura. Because hindi naman kailangan na expensive yung date. Kasi for me, date is like the time you can talk, you can fix things, and makapag-usap tayo kung mga dapat yung mga plans, ano pa yung mga dapat gawin. So yun.
Here's our ramen guy. Hi guys, kain kami ng puso tsaka tawag dito, grilled egg. Nandun si Gatas, kumuha ng food niya, order niya. Hi guys, nabili kami ng prutas dito sa may Old Mang Inasal. Sige dahil, tigante lang. Tapos, binibenta ko po 200. Magkano yan? 200. Yeah. So, joke lang, ano to guys. Actually, kinikinig ko to 98. Pero binigay sa akin ng 92. Ikaw ba?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.
Bye! See you in the next video.
Hi. Hi guys, here's our food for today and we're in Argao. Kapatid niyo? Happy Argao.
Siargao.
Alright. Pagod na kami guys. Ang sakit ang ano ko, ng paa ko. Kasi nga guys, nag-critic ako ng sayaw kahapon and it makes my whole body so painful. From my thigh to my legs. And good thing my voice. At dumating na guys yung nacho fries namin. From Argao.